How to add apps to the desktop on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add apps to the desktop on your computer so that you can easily open them up. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do to add apps is simply go down to the Windows Start button down here, select it. Then once this opens up, select all right here, and you'll see all the apps that are available on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Once you find something that you want to add as an icon on your desktop, simply click that app and drag it over to your home screen. And as you can see, I've now added that app to the desktop on my computer. Now, if you're missing things such as your recycling bin, things like that, and you want to bring those back to your desktop, all you need to do is right click an empty area of your desktop, then select personalization. The settings will open up on your computer. Simply scroll down and select themes, and then scroll down a little bit and select desktop icon settings. A new menu will appear called Desktop Icon Settings, and you can add things such as your computer, the control panel, things like that by selecting them and then selecting OK. And as you can see, those items showed up on my desktop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.